Open the document that you need to work with. Go to Layout tab at the top tools bar. Look for the Page Setup block. Click on Margins tool. You will see a list of possible options: Last Custom Setting, Normal, Narrow, Moderate, Wide, Mirrored, and Office 2003 Default. Click on the option that you need to apply it to the document. If you don't see the option that you need, choose Custom Margins at the bottom of the list. A new window will open. Go to Margins block. Set margins value for top, left bottom, and right. Go to Apply to option. Choose if you want to apply it to the whole document or this point forward. Click OK to apply the margins to the document.